Today you're gonna learn one of my favorite card flourishes, the card spring. Check this out. What? Before we begin, don't forget to like and save this video so you can always watch it again. If this is your first time learning the card spring, you can always start with half the deck. This way you can easily master the grip as well as how to release the pressure properly to give you a smooth and beautiful card spring. There are two grips that you can try, whichever one you prefer, use that one. The first grip. With your middle finger and ring finger, wrap around the top right hand corner of the deck, your thumb on the bottom like this. The rest of the fingers will rest on the cards like that. Okay, so these two fingers on the corner, applying pressure, the rest of the fingers just like that. The second grip is to use your middle finger and thumb this way and just wrap the rest of your fingers around. Next, push up so that the cards are beveled this way, are bent this way. And how the card spring works is that it comes off, the cards comes off the thumb like this, okay? At the start, you will get this, which is very common, so don't worry. It's about releasing the pressure evenly and smoothly. It's smoothly. Smoothly. The left hand is also very important to catch the cards. You need to do this. Use your pinky at the back and try and curl them up like this so that when you spring the cards into your hands, there's nowhere it could go, you see? It won't drop out of your hand and onto the floor. Once you're able to release the cards smoothly, it will look something like this. Don't worry if you can't get the card spring right on the first 2 days. Keep practicing. As long as you master the technique of being able to release the cards smoothly and evenly, you will get it. Once you master that, then you can try for distance. If you think the card spring was too easy and you like a challenge, do it upside down. What? If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. Like, save, share, follow, subscribe, do whatever you need to help me. Thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. If the card spring was too easy, here's a challenge to yourself. Do it upside down like this.